Hey guys, John at Fix-A-Fence. I thought I'd give you an update of what's going on here. I don't know why I say that you know a lot, because you probably don't know. All right, I'm giving you an update of what's going on here. I go out on estimates a lot, and well, yeah, yeah, that's all I do. It seems like go out on estimates and crunch numbers. But I met this one lady named Janet, and she works with KEX Radio, which is Rip City Radio. And anyway, I always ask people what they do for a living when I'm out there on the estimates, because I always like to know what they're doing. She told me that she was an advertiser for the KEX Radio, iHeart Radio, or iHeart Media rather. And anyway, that was kind of cool. I said, wow, I'm kind of interested. How's that work? And anyway, so she told me how it worked, and she asked me if I'd like to be interested. And so what I did was I sent her some of my videos that I've done before. And I know you guys know that if you're watching me, some of the other videos I did, I created a video to promote Fix-A-Fence LLC in the beginning, and one of the songs was Fix-A-Fence, Fix-A-Fence LLC, free fence estimates, call for yours today. Well, that was one of them. I had fun. Anyway, so now I guess I get to go into the recording studio there at the radio station and record my own commercial. So 30-second commercial. I'll be doing 40 commercials for 1 month, and that'll be a 3-month campaign for Rip City Radio, baby. It'll be an AM radio station, but hey, there's a lot of people that would listen to that, and so I guess it's just going to break in however they go to it. But hey, nothing ventured, nothing gained. So here we go. And I'm learning that I got to quit saying so much. Anyway, John at Fix-A-Fence, I just wanted to give you an update of what's going on here. I go out on these estimates, and I always ask people what they do. And this is what's led to a radio commercial for Fix-A-Fence LLC. Stay tuned. And I've even got authorization to go take some videos of me doing the recording in the studio. So hey, that'll be a great video for the channel too. Anyway, again, John at Fix-A-Fence LLC, mending broken fences, building a brand here in Portland, Oregon. Keep smiling. Have a great day.